Hello, I'm Guillaume Cabane, VP of Growth at Drift, and people usually call me G. So, next up, I want to take a step back and talk about inbound automation from a more holistic point of view. And to look at how I built the automation logic at Drift for us to maximize the performance of our different campaigns, of our different channels. So again, we start at when the visitor comes to our website, which is like what happens to all of us. The first question that we need to ask ourselves is, sure, I always try to use Clipit Reveal to find the IP to domain, but does it match? No, Clipit finds a match between 30% and 50% of the time. And so that means that like in about like half the cases, you will not find a match. You will not know who this person works for, right? Or which company they work for. And so in that case, if you go into the negative branch logic, you got to use a bot. You got to automate that flow. So you can use a Drift bot to ask their email or ask their domain to know who are they working for, right? If you do find a match, well, you can ask yourself, is the company qualified? And if you've watched the previous video about how to use MadKudu to automatically score a company, you know that this is automated. You'll know if this is qualified. If you've asked the bot and you've actually captured the email or the domain, it will automatically go into that flow, which is, well, now are they qualified? If they don't answer the bot, if they don't want to give that email, don't want to give that company a domain, well, unfortunately, though you have some intent, you don't have enough intent for them to give you some personal data. And so that just leads you into disqualifying them, right? So say that here you have an intent score of 50, right? Well, here, when they refused to give PII, you probably got minus 50, right? They no longer have enough intent, and you can probably do something like offer to do some nurture, but like without email, that's not going to be super helpful. Now, if we go to the positive path, say that the company is qualified. Well, the next thing is, as we said earlier, is engage the chat, right? So in the previous video, we said, well, we are automatically going to offer a very personalized message to those people, right? And the chat starts. And then that's good. You have your sales rep or whomever is manning the chat, talking to people with high intent and high score. But the point here is to say, what happens if they don't want information, right? As good as Drift is as a chat interface, some people just don't want to, right? That's just like channel, that's just marketing, that's our web channel. And so some people will not want to engage in chat. Are we doomed to just let them go? Of course not. What we do here is say, we are going to retarget them by email to the domain. So we do not know who they are, but we know the company data, we know who they work for. And because they are qualified, because there is intent, we now have enough data and say we should send email to them. And so in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use that logic to optimize both possibilities at the end of this workflow, which is either they chat with us, and if they don't chat with us, to actually send them automatically an email to the people you can sell to.